How much should you actually spend on a laser tape measure? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, HOTO Laser Measuring Tool. First up is the HOTO Laser Measuring Tool. This pocket-sized gem caught my eye with its sleek design and affordable price of $50.87. If you want a compact and stylish laser measure that's easy to carry around, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk about why this HOTO tool is a must-have. What's cool is that it features a USB-C rechargeable battery that provides over 500 measurements on a single charge, great for those weekend DIY tasks. The OLED display is easy to read, even in low light, making it handy for indoor use. Plus, it's designed to be a fun gadget, doubling as a laser toy for your pets during breaks. However, some users pointed out that it's not built for industrial use. Now here's the thing, if you're just using it for home renovations or light projects, that's not a deal breaker. But if you need something for heavy-duty jobs, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a handy tool for around the house. But skip this one if you need something for professional construction work. For the price, it offers great value for casual users. Product number 2, Rockseed 165 FT Laser Measure. Next up, we have the Rockseed Laser Measure, priced at just $20.34. This budget-friendly option is an excellent choice if you're looking for an affordable yet effective measuring tool. What's impressive about this device is its dual bubble levels, giving you more accurate readings than standard single-level tools. The backlit LCD screen enhances visibility, especially in dark areas, which is a game-changer if you're working in low-light conditions. Plus, it's portable and lightweight, perfect for carrying around. Some users have complained about the accuracy not being consistent over longer distances. Here's the thing though, if you're sticking to measurements under 100 feet, you should be just fine. It's definitely a solid tool for most casual users. You'll love this if you're looking for a straightforward measuring device without breaking the bank. Skip it if you need something ultra-precise for professional use. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, LEXIVON 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. Coming in at $76.28 is the LEXIVON 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. This caught my attention with its innovative combination of a laser distance meter and an autolock measuring tape. If you want versatility, this is worth a serious look. What's fascinating is that it combines this with a 16-foot tape measure, giving you the best of both worlds. The LCD screen displays measurements in various formats, allowing easy conversions between metric and imperial units. It's pretty user-friendly with a smooth single-butt operation, which is great if you're juggling multiple tasks. On the downside, some users felt that the tape measure can be a bit flimsy compared to standalone models. But here's the thing, if you're using it primarily for quick measurements, it holds up pretty well. Just be cautious with the tape portion for heavy-duty projects. This is perfect for you if you need flexibility in your measuring tools for various tasks. Skip it if you're looking for something solely dedicated to laser measurements. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Product number 4, Rockseed 165 Feet Portable Laser Measure. Next up is another Rockseed model, the 165 Feet Portable Laser Measure, available at $25.43. This device has some exciting features packed into a friendly price. It boasts rapid measurement capabilities, taking only 0.2 seconds to get a reading, which is pretty impressive for a tool in this price range. The robust design and IP54 rating make it resistant to dust and water, which is perfect if you're working in less than ideal conditions. However, some users noted that performance can drop in extreme temperatures. Here's the thing though, if you're working within a reasonable climate, this won't be an issue. It's an excellent option for home users who want reliable performance without paying top dollar. This is great for you if you want a quick and reliable measuring tool for home projects. Skip it if you need something that can handle extreme weather conditions. It's affordable and gets the job done. Product number 5, Rockseed Red Laser Measure 328 Feet. Finally, we have the Rockseed Red Laser Measure, priced at $26.44. This one stands out with its impressive range of up to 328 feet, making it ideal for larger spaces. Similar to its counterparts, it offers plus or minus 1/16-inch accuracy and features dual bubble levels for precise measurement. Plus, it has a mute setting, perfect for quiet environments like libraries or classrooms. It's designed to be durable with dust and water resistance, which is great for use in a variety of situations. Some feedback mentioned the lack of advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, but honestly, if you're looking for a straightforward, reliable laser measure, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is great if you need a larger range for extensive measuring tasks. Skip it if you require high-tech features for professional use. At this price, it gives you solid performance. So there you have it, the top 5 laser tape measures. Whether you're looking for a compact option like the HOTO, a budget-friendly pick like the Rockseed, or a versatile device like the LEXIVON, there's something for everyone. Remember to choose based on your specific needs and how you plan to use it. Happy measuring!